Good morning, Anna. It's Thursday. And yes, I do have answers to your question. Right now, yes, I am in my boyfriend's study. My boyfriend's name is Hunter, by the way. He actually did ask me about being in a video, so I might do that one day. Okay, so I do have answers to your question, and my answers, they are in paper airplane form. Okay, so my favorite food? I don't really have a favorite food. That was a fail. That airplane doesn't know how to be awesome. Number 2. Favorite color? Blue. My airplanes really aren't that awesome. Number 3. Let's see if this design will work a little bit better. 3. Favorite thing to do in free time? Either read, use my laptop, or write poetry. That one was better. 4. Favorite subject? Math or English? I think that's the most awesome one so far. Okay. Number 5. Most hated subject? Gym. I don't really have a problem with much of the academic stuff. I just don't like gym that much. And health bores me, which is what I'm doing right now. So yeah. Oh, still didn't fly better than math and English. Okay. Number 6. That was number 5. Least favorite food. I don't really have specific least favorite. But the least favorite that I'm actually forced to eat, and I hate them, green beans, just taste like rubber. Another far flyer. Okay. Favorite, number 7, favorite Hank Green song. Strange Charm, DFTBA, or Phineas Gage song. And I fail at spelling. I put an E at the end of charm. I fail. That airplane doesn't fail though. Okay. Number 8. I read Any Times Books? No, I haven't, and I really want to, but I try to check them out from the library, and whenever I go, they're not there. So, yes. That one fails too. I'm not a very good paper airplane reader. And the last one. My favorite YouTuber that's not the Vlog Brothers is Rhett and Link. Here we go, last one. Okay. I need to clean up these airplanes that are all over the yard. I will see you hopefully Friday. DFTBA.